Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm joining Yami from the Latina next door and Linda from Faith Chick 777. And this is for the Look for Less challenge. I am so excited because I can participate this month. Now let's get started. These are the supplies for our project. You're going to find the measurements for the frame in the description box down below. First, we're going to take our burnt umber and we're going to mix it with some water so we can get our stain. Then we're going to start staining our wood slats or wood stirring sticks. And we're going to stain them using that paint on three sides. I'm showing you that I have a smaller one and a bigger one. That's how they turned out. Now we're gonna paint those three longer sticks with Waverly chalk paint in white. Again, just three sides. The front one, the sides, the top and the bottom. And now I'm taking some burnt umber to give it a good dry brush. Just like that. Now I'm taking my popsicle sticks, the complete one, not the cut ones, the 45-degree ones. We're taking the complete ones and we're painting them dark gray. And taking the dark umber, the burnt umber, and giving it a good dry brush. If you get a little bit heavy-handed, just stroke your finger around the paint and it will get mixed. Now we're taking the 45-degree popsicle sticks and we're gonna paint them in caramel color. Just like that. We paint all of them. And now we're going to start assembling our frame, and for that we're going to take the shorter sides that you will find the measurements on the description box below, and we're going to glue the shorter side in the bottom of the frame as you can see here. Longer ones going to go up. And now we're attaching to that our three white longer strips of wood. Just hot glue them like so. And now we're going to take our frame and we're going to start attaching the front 45-degree angle popsicle sticks. Like so. Now we're going to flip it over and we're going to start attaching our gray popsicle sticks. We're going to measure them so they have some sort of an equal spacing between them. And then we're going to start hot gluing them to our wood center slabs. Like that. Don't worry if you have a little bit over the frame because we're going to cut them a little bit later when we finish. Now we're going to flip it over again and we're going to cut what we have left from our popsicle sticks, like that. Just cutting them with our scissors, and that's it. Let me show you the one. This is the one from them, from House, for 55 bucks versus mine. I only spent $5 on mine. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our shorter 45-degree angle popsicle sticks, our white longer sticks, and our popsicle sticks. This is how it looks. Let me give you a closer look. This is how it's looking. I love it. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to both of our challenge hosts. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Yami and Linda for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.